Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So how are you guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very pretty pebble stone painting ideas. These are super stunning and very beautiful pebble craft ideas for you guys. So guys, keep supporting my channel and keep watching my videos. These are top trending and very unique stone craft ideas for you guys. Thank you so much guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are super incredible and very unique stone rock painting ideas for you guys. And these are the best and stunning ideas for you guys. Always take care. Remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz guys.